This AI email sequence has already earned $10,285. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to clone this system so you can make money online without having to talk to anyone. So if that sounds good to you, do me a favor and comment yes on this video right now if you've ever wanted to make money online without having to deal with people. That's what we're going to be doing here today. I want to show you how to set up an automated system that's basically going to spit out money 24/7, 365 with you having to do as little as possible. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and like I said in this video, we are going to uncover the exact steps that you can use to earn tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. Everyone wants to see the proof, so we'll get that out of the way at the beginning of the video. Here you go. Commissions, $10,285.92. This is a look inside my affiliate portal here, and you can see this most recent sale came in April 2nd, 2024. Today's the 3rd, so that's yesterday. So without further ado, let's jump into the exact steps you can follow to make this happen for yourself. So before we get started, I do need you to understand that if you want to make money online, you actually need people to buy stuff, which means you're going to need traffic. So if you need traffic, if you're a total beginner at this, you're going to want to head to profitpassively.com, because today you can grab a free checklist and webinar that's going to show you exactly how I drive traffic to my offers. Now, this is normally not free. This is normally something I charge for, but lucky for you, I had some technical difficulties with my checkout today, so I've gone ahead and just turned the checkout off. So if you get to this before I fix it, you can get this checklist for free. This is a summarized version of it here. There's actually a link here where you can grab a Google Sheet that has a ton more information, and it's all included. So like I said, if you want that for free, I would head to profitpassively.com as soon as possible before I fix the checkout. So anyways, let's get into the actual process on how you can set up an AI email sequence to earn tens of thousands of dollars. So step one is obviously to grab access to the email automation tool, and you can do that at funnelsforever.com. Not a whole lot of explanation needed there, right? You just head to the website, funnelsforever.com. You click the pink button that says get started. It's free. You enter your information and get your account. So once you do that, the next step is to set up your landing page, or in other words, an opt-in page, and redirect it to your affiliate offer. I'm going to show you exactly how this stuff works in just a second. I just want you to get an overview of the entire process. So once we set up the landing page, then we're going to use ChatGPT to write as many sales emails as you need. Then we're going to copy and paste the emails into an autoresponder, and then finally we're just going to drive traffic to the automated system. So here's what it looks like. Here's an overview of how this system works. So I like to get my traffic using short videos. I generate many of these videos using AI. Like I said, there's more information about this at profitpassively.com, but however you get traffic, right? You could buy ads, you could do whatever you want to do. Once we get the traffic, we are going to direct the traffic to what's called an opt-in page, or a landing page. Now, this is just a simple page that has a little box where somebody can enter their email address to get more information. So they watch the video, they come to this page, they enter their information, and then they get sent over here to our affiliate link, or in other words, a referral link. This is the link where if somebody buys something through this link, we make money. So that's how I was able to earn $10,000 in commissions, by sending traffic to one of these special links. Now, the problem with this is a lot of times people will watch the video, they'll come look at your page, and they'll check out the offer, and then they will bounce. In other words, they will leave without buying your product. So that's where the AI emails come into the picture. So assuming this person watches your video, they come, they check out the offer, and then they leave, well, now tomorrow they're going to get an email delivered to them automatically, right? You don't have to do anything to make this happen once you've set it up. They're going to get an email tomorrow saying, hey, remember this product you were interested in yesterday? Why don't you come back and check it out? And then if they bounce again, maybe rent's due, they just don't have the money right now, so they leave the page and they forget about it. Well, that's okay, because the following day, guess what? They're going to get another email reminding them about this product. And this system's just going to continue to run on autopilot until they actually buy your product here or unsubscribe from your list. So that's how and why the system works. That's a basic overview of what it looks like. So like I said, go ahead and grab access to the tool at funnelsforever.com. Then you're going to want to set up your landing page. So now that I've explained what everything is and why you need it, let's take a look at how to make it happen. So here inside of your free account, you can click this button that says Groove Pages right here. This is where you'll set up your landing page. It's going to bring you to this menu right here. Now obviously this will all be blank because it's a brand new account, so you'll click this button that says new site, and what I want to show you here is just how easy this can be. So I've clicked on the tab that says single pages, and there's tons of pre-made templates in here available for you to use right now. So there's tons of them: freelance copywriting service, wall painting service, tattoo salon, cheat sheet, videography service, investment app, product reviews, finance, right? They have templates for just about anything you could possibly want to do when it comes to making money online. So you'll just pick one of these that you like. If we look at this one already has the name and email spots already here, so literally all you do is click import full template. Then you're going to spend a few minutes changing the text around, right? The template says free online training event, but you might change this to say, hey, check out my email automation tool, or check out my AI video tool, or check out my local business, right? Whatever. You're going to take a few minutes, change the text around, and make sure that you change this button so that when somebody clicks it, it redirects to your affiliate offer. Right? Remember, if we're looking at the process here, we create this page. That's what the templates are for, right? You just click one of the templates, change the information, so then somebody enters their information. So if we look at the steps here, the next step is to use ChatGPT to write as many sales emails as you need. So again, super simple. We're just clicking buttons here. So I have a basic prompt in here. It says, write me a complete sequence of sales emails ready to copy and paste into my auto sender with no editing required. Then I tell it the product name, I give it a product description, and a target audience. So I'll go ahead and start that. And so ChatGPT is just going to literally start writing these emails for me. So here you go, email 1, welcome to funnelsforever.com. Welcome to Funnels Forever, where your online business dreams become a reality. With our intuitive platform, you'll build stunning websites, captivating landing pages, and high converting funnels in no time. Say goodbye to tech headaches and hello to success, right? Pretty good. That's ready to go. So then it says ready to dive in. Click here to start building your empire. And it literally shows you where to put your affiliate link, right? This is no-brainer stuff here, really. Nothing to think about. So all we have to do is copy this email. And then if we look at the steps here, step 4, copy and paste the emails into the auto sender. So again, we are going to come here inside of our account here, and instead of clicking the Groove Pages button, this time you're going to click the button that says Groove Mail. Obviously, we want to automate email, so we'll do that. And it's going to bring you to a page. If I come back here, it's going to bring you to this email page. Again, obviously, this will all be blank for you. So you're going to click this button that says New Sequence. Now, to save a little bit of time, I'll just show you one of these that I already have here. But basically, it's going to start with what's called a trigger. So here, the trigger, it'll prompt you to do all this stuff. Again, it's nothing complicated. But the trigger, if we look at our diagram here, the trigger is this. The trigger is the opt-in page that we've set up. Specifically, this button right here that someone clicks after they type their email. So that's what's going to trigger this sequence. Then we have a delay. So the first one, I have 2 hours, right? Because somebody might look at this product, then they might get distracted, they might leave. So 2 hours later, I'm going to send them an email that says, hey, thanks for checking out this offer, yada, yada, yada. Then there's a time delay, 1 day. Then they get another email. Then we add another time delay. Then we add another email. So literally all we're doing is clicking this button that says edit here. Click the button that says edit so we can edit the emails, and then we're just simply going to copy and paste. And when you paste it in, again, you're going to want to make sure you include your referral link in there, but that's it. So the final step is to drive traffic using short videos. So like I said, I like to use AI generated emails just because AI generated emails, and also AI generated videos just because it's easy. I can do this by clicking a few buttons. So it's more than I can really show you in this one quick video, but here's a quick look at the tool, right? And if you want to start making these AI videos for yourself, you can grab this tool at oneclickvids.com. Oneclickvids.com AI video generation tool, and you can either start with an idea, so this is something as simple as a sentence, or if you want to use an exact script, you can input your exact script here. But basically, there's just a few options down here. So if I click video options, you can see I can add captions and animations to the video. I can select a theme, so they have anime, cartoon, comic, illustration, hyper-realistic, dark fantasy, cyberpunk, right? So you select what theme you want. Then there's a tab here for voices, so there's a bunch of different voices you can choose from. But ultimately, once you select a few of these options, right, you can add music if you want. You're just going to click this generate video button. And once you do that, it's going to create an AI generated video for you. So here's a quick example. If you want to see more, just click on the shorts tab here on my YouTube channel and you can see tons of my AI generated videos. But that's not really what this tutorial is about. I just wanted to show you that. So it's another way to get traffic if you need it, oneclickvids.com. So to wrap this up, the last thing I want to show you is how you can actually start using this system for free right now. So obviously you're going to head to funnelsforever.com to grab your account, and I showed you right here, it says get started, it's free. Now the catch is, obviously with the free account you're not going to get access to everything. So here you can see that this particular template I'm showing you is a premium template, and if we come back here and look at them, you'll see that some of these are premium templates and some are not. So obviously with the free version it's going to be pretty limited to what you can get, but if you upgrade your account you'll be able to access all of these premium templates as well as a lot of other features, which include creating an unlimited number of these websites and email automations. Now, how are you going to get this for free? If this is an upgrade, then obviously they're going to want you to pay for it. Well, what I want to show you is something not many people know about. Now, this is only for people who are in the United States and have decent credit, but if that's you, PayPal will offer you credit on purchases of $99 or more. So when you go to check out for the upgrade for this software, make sure you select the PayPal credit option, and then what they're going to do is front you the money for 6 months. Now 6 months is plenty of time to set up this system, which means you can set this up and let it start running and earning you money before you've ever had to pay for anything. So you can set this up, you can let it run until it virtually pays for itself. And again, the way you're going to do that is when you get to the checkout page, you're going to want to make sure to pay with PayPal and then select PayPal credit. So that about wraps it up. Like I said, here are the exact steps if you want to go ahead and screenshot this, whatever you need to do. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you need traffic, head to profitpassively.com. If you do it before I fix my checkout page, you can actually get my checklist and webinar that's going to show you how I generate traffic for free. So I'd recommend doing that as soon as possible. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash the thumbs up button. It takes me quite a bit of time to make these videos. It only takes you a split second to click that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below. That way you see future videos when I put them out. If you want to see them right away, click the bell icon. That will give you a notification on your phone each time I upload a video, so you can be one of the first people to watch it and take action. Other than that, I hope you have an outstanding day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.